In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to speed up a video on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch a Photos app and navigate to the video that you want to speed up. Now click on three bars. You're going to find different option, but you won't find the option to speed up this video. As of right now, there is no such option within iPhone to speed up a video. So what you want to do is you'll need to get this app, CapCut, iMovie or any third-party app that will allow you to speed up the video. In this guide, I'm going to use CapCut. Launch the app, click on New Project, select the video from your gallery. Now, select the option Speed. Select the option Normal. Now from here, you are able to speed up the video. You can speed up to 100x. So go ahead and select the option of your choice, 2x, 5x, 10x or 100x. Once you are satisfied, you can export this video. So this way you can easily speed up a video on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.